Today we're going to do a video on raw bananas, which are green bananas, and green bananas are really amazing. A lot of people don't know about green bananas, and green bananas we can eat it. The green bananas are the one which are unripe. Green bananas, we have to boil it. I'm going to give you a video how to cook the green bananas. Just peel out the fiber part from the outside, and it's easy to peel out the fiber part, and then chop it up in small pieces, and then boil it for 10 minutes, and then you could put salt, pepper, or you can add some spices if you want, but salt, pepper will be amazingly tasty. So green banana, you can add it to your curries, your soup, or eat it just like mashed potatoes. And a lot of people fry and make different dishes. So they are really amazing to eat, and they have a lot of benefits, health benefits. So to start, green bananas are vasodilators, so they control blood pressure, and they are low glycemic index, so they slowly release the insulin after eating green bananas. So they're great for diabetics, and there are green banana flour available to make breads and stuff, but you could just mash it like a mashed potato and just pat it in your hand and just cook it like that. It'll be like a green banana patty. Green bananas have tons of vitamin and minerals, and they're especially rich in vitamin B6 and vitamin C. Other than that, they had tons of antioxidants, and they are powerhouse for nutrition, and they are really been used all over the world, but many people in US actually don't know how to eat green bananas. But they are not made in smoothies or anything like we add bananas in smoothies. For green bananas, you have to cook them 10 minutes, then you can eat it. Green bananas are famous for different kinds of tasty dishes: stir fry, salad, boiled green banana dip, green banana. Some people deep fry them, and some people steam it, some people boil, some people make chips. So they're like all kinds of things. It's been used. They're full of vitamin, nutrients, and antioxidant, and it's really good if you boil it and eat it, because then it maximize the nutrition absorption, and they have tons of health benefits. They lowers blood pressure, they lowers blood sugar, they're great for lowering bad cholesterol and increasing the good one. They're great for the heart, and they're great for clearing plugged arteries, like clogged arteries. They're good for cleaning that, and they're great for kidney, because bananas are really good for kidney, and they're really great for different kinds of stomach problem, like bloating, ulcer, gastric ulcer, constipation, diarrhea, bacterial infection of the stomach. People who have a lot of diarrhea, bacterial infections, they have been given green banana boil, and then people make green banana tea. Just boil it, and that water is tea. Make sure you boil it with purified water when you're especially giving it to someone who has diarrhea. So raw banana are never eaten, like green bananas are never eaten raw. So they're full of potassium, they are good for blood pressure, they are good for heart, they're good for preventing heart attacks and stuff like that. Green bananas are great for diabetics, and they lowers the insulin level. So it's good, and they are rich in many other vitamin and minerals, and they are great for people who have dehydration after diarrhea. So they maintain electrolyte balance in the body, and they are great for since they have vitamin C, vitamin B6, antioxidant. They are great for fighting many chronic diseases and infections, and also improves the skin and skin's texture and boost our immunity. And they're great for preventing kidney problems. They have many antioxidant, many vitamin and minerals, and they also maintain body's electrolyte balance. And so green bananas are just so amazing and easy to cook. Just take out the fiber from the top, means peel it off the top green portion, and then just chop it up and boil it for 10 minutes and just enjoy like mashed potato. Add some salt, pepper, whatever other spices you want to add, and that's it. They're just so amazing, and they are great for digestive problem, diarrhea, and they are actually probiotic and prebiotics both. So it's great for digestion and digestive problem. They're great for irritable bowel syndrome, and people have bloating and indigestion and gas and acidity, so they're good for those. So they're just really, really amazing, and they can help lower blood pressure. So they're really great for preventing heart disease, stroke, blood pressure related diseases. And green bananas lowers our cholesterol and triglyceride levels in the blood, and they are just amazing. But don't take too many. Everything is good in moderation. So you can peel up 2 green bananas, boil and eat it, not too many. They're packed with fiber. They're great for digestion, and they are good for bloating and people with digestive problem, irritable bowel syndrome and diarrhea. So they're amazing. Enjoy them, boil them, eat them. So this was a little information about green banana. I'm gonna give a green banana video cooking, so it's very easy to cook. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. I'll see you with many more, and happy Valentine's Day everyone. Enjoy the day.